Hey guys, I'm at Palm Beach View Resort. We are at the ocean facing ocean room. This is the corridor. All the rooms in this corridor have sea facing. It's an aesthetically done place, very pretty. I'm going to show you the room. This is the entrance. Has a big cupboard here. And the washroom on the right side. You can see the room overall. This is how it looks. I will take you back and show you the details. This is how the overall room is. It's pretty big and very aesthetically done. These are the curtains. I like these lace ones. And that is your beach view. Please ignore the they've given a clothes stand. This is the beach view. It is very pretty, and I'll just reduce the fan. Look at this place, beautiful. And I'll show you each place of the room in a better way, in details. So right here at the entrance, you have the cupboard. This place for keeping your clothes. That's a locker, we're not using it. And there are bathrobes. There's ample space for shoes and keeping your suitcases. And this is your mini fridge with the kettle. Look at this kettle, so well selected. This is the electric kettle. We really like it. We're gonna look it up on Amazon. And these are so pretty. They have these all around in the hotel. I'll also do a video on the resort itself. And let's get into the washroom once. Here's the washroom. There's a phone as usual. This is big, which is beautiful. You're going to enjoy it. There's some ventilation here. They have nice mirrors. Also the makeup mirror, closer view mirror. Ample towels. This is the divider, and here is your shower area. I don't like this chair. It doesn't go with the decor. And this is your bathtub. This mirror that you're seeing, this kind of decor, this aesthetic is like all throughout in the hotel. Look at that towel bin, so beautifully selected. All these pouches are ours, but very nice and huge washroom, really big. It's a lot of space. Okay, that was the washroom, and now I've shown you this place. We're gonna move to this area. This is a big place. Each of this, there's space inside, so you can keep stuff. We didn't need this. There's more. There were some complimentary snacks like these, and they gave us this while we entered the hotel. They'll give you a welcome drink and that. So that's how much space we have. There's more here, but we didn't use it. There's a TV there. This is the TV unit with some storage. This is a full mirror followed by a small mirror, and there's table, study table. You can keep stuff. This is complimentary. They refill it. It's complimentary. We can have it. It's not separately paid. This is the chair. Now let's go to the bedside. This is right opposite to the TV, like over here. This is the bedside. So 2 big bedside tables have been given. There's storage here. I didn't use it. And this is the bed. There's a carpet below. And there's some decor at the back of the bed. And this is a nice little coffee table. There are 2. And this is the menu, in-room dining menu, and a very comfortable sofa with bolsters and cushion and decor at the back. Now we're going into the veranda, which has the sea view. Okay. There are 2 chairs, a table, very comfortable big chairs, and this is another place you can lie down and watch the sea from. We've moved the place of the clothes stand. It was on that side. There's a dustbin given there, and I really liked this view. I mean, and there's this net given, so birds etc. won't just come in. This gives a very vintage kind of a vibe, and yet you can just sit here, relax, read books, just overlook the ocean in your private space, and there's no one to disturb you. This lawn is there, but all throughout I just saw once a couple walking on it, but otherwise it's pretty much up to me. However I want to spend my time, I could just, it's completely private, and you get to see and hear the ocean from here. When I show you the resort, I will also show you how the resort has a beautiful seating area with tea accompaniment, where you can just sit and enjoy the view, and the sea breeze is absolutely beautiful. I think this is a very, very nice getaway for people who want to just go to a beautiful place and relax. There are not many cafes or anything, any sort of urban entertainment around. We did visit a local cafe, but it's not very great. I mean, yes, the food is very tasty, but infrastructure wise, they're like local shops just put up. So if you want to try it out, definitely go try the local food. It's very tasty here in Orissa. They make very tasty food, but otherwise I would say, just if you want to come here and sit in this resort and enjoy your time, there are a lot of things in the resort that you can do. We generally enjoy morning walks on the beach for 2.5 hours, come back, eat our breakfast, go around the resort, or even read books. It's very enjoyable. Okay, I won't talk, just hear the sound of the sea. There are, by the way, local migratory birds also come here. I've seen quite a few local birds. Butterflies, I can see a lot in front of me. The bushes on the left, in the trees on the left, there are bushes. I saw a lot of birds in the early morning. You can just sit here and see all of that. Right now there are not a lot of migratory birds. There were some when we saw it from the car when we were coming on the way, but there is a time when there are flamingos here. They fly to the Chilka Lake. You can skip the Chilka Lake or just spend about half an hour we do not get very good viewpoints for the lake. There's a beautiful butterfly below. Don't think I'm able to capture it. I'll just zoom this. Can you see? I just zoomed in on the beach. Yeah. The resort is beautiful. I will do a detailed video on the resort. Stay tuned. I would definitely suggest, if you like the beach, if you don't want it to be super hot, this is about 26 degrees, 24 degrees, 22 degrees in October, this place. It's slightly isolated, offbeat, lesser crowd, more of natural beauty, not much urbanization exists, but you're going to enjoy this. I can see a black and blue butterfly and a black and orange butterfly. Sorry, I can't capture it, but they are huge butterflies that I can see right from here. It's a very, very beautiful place. If you enjoy nature, if you like the beach, you don't want it to be too hot, it's a great place to be in. Bay of Bengal, by the way, is slightly more aggressive than if you've been to Arabian Sea. And you see there are like multiple waves getting formed simultaneously. It's roaring. This is natural. This is how Bay of Bengal is. I've come as a kid, it was the same. But it's a very enjoyable walk if you're walking on the sand. It's very enjoyable. The weather is very nice right now. It's October. It's not very sweaty. It's humid, yes, but not very hot and very sweaty. I told you the temperatures are around 24 to 26. And it's been cloudy mostly, with sun sometimes coming up. It even rained yesterday night. So it's beautiful weather. We're enjoying different kinds of sun, rain, thunderstorm, lightning. It's very enjoyable. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. View facing room. I have already done a detailed video on this. I suggest you look at that. Nice. Hey guys, I'm at the Mayfair Palm Beach Resort. It's a lovely place to be if you want to sit, relax, and have a nice time. See, that's a place that's part of my veranda. That's the ocean view. That's a place to sit down. Right behind me is the sea, and it's part of the resort. I've done a detailed video on the resort. I've shown her on the property. Definitely take a look and decide if you like staycations, if you like places that are a little offbeat with I don't know, beautiful sea breeze, nice weather, and you love the beach, then I think you're going to love this. Definitely take a look.